Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Reviews. Today is a drawing for the Telesin Dome for your GoPro. All right, we had a whopping, I think maybe 8 or 9 comments, so this is really going to be exciting. So next time we have a giveaway, you guys need to pipe up and comment on. So just to let you know, it is the 15th of December. I plugged in the, don't die on me. I plugged in the video online here. No duplicate users. And it says, what's the sum of 5 plus 1? I went to school, so I can say it's 6. Want to get your comments? All right, we got 8. You got a 1 in 8 shot to winning. All right, here we go. Ready? There is the winner. Mantrap. Whoops. Yeah. Mantrap 8728. You have won. I will reach out to you and find out the details. But congratulations. Thanks to everyone who did comment. We'll do this again. Like, subscribe to the channel for more giveaways and fun stuff. All right. Have a good Friday. Dogs barking. Someone's here.